Hi guys, thanks for visiting my channel. Today I'm thinking of Thanksgiving, and particularly cranberry sauce. What would Thanksgiving be without cranberry sauce, right? Well, last year for you I did our family's favorite, which is cherry orange cranberry sauce, and that is delicious. I will try to link it for you either over here or in the description for you so you can easily find that video if you're interested in it. It is heavenly and by far my family's favorite. But this year I wanted to come up with something a little bit different. So we are going to be making spiced apple cranberry sauce. So good. And if you've never made whole cranberry sauce, no worries. It is one of the easiest things ever to make. So that's what we're gonna do. What you need is a saucepan. We need one 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries that have been rinsed, and I always sort through them, make sure there aren't any bad ones in there. This is a one pot kind of deal. And then to that we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and then I have 1 Honeycrisp apple that I have chopped into just small bite-sized pieces, but you can use any apple that you like. Honeycrisp just happens to be my favorite. And then for the spicy part, we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now this is all to taste, so you could add more, you could add less, you could leave it out completely if you don't groove on the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then just 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom, just a tiny bit, it's pretty strong flavor, and a little bit of ground cloves, about 1/8 teaspoon. And then we are, just to jazz it up just a little bit more, we're going to add some dried cranberries. And I'm just gonna put a small palmful in there. You can add as many as you want. It just they're chewy, so it adds a little bit of texture and also enhances the cranberry flavor. So all you gotta do is we're going to bring that up to a nice simmer. We're gonna simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes until it's the consistency that you want it. Now, just know that cranberries have natural pectin in them, and as your sauce cools, it will become thicker. So, and the more you cook it, the thicker it will get. So about 10-15 minutes is what you're looking for. You just want your cranberries to start to burst open so they can release all that delicious pectin. So I'm gonna give this a stir and get it going, and then I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I just wanted to bring you in close so you can see what's going on in my pan. You can see we just have a very gentle simmer going on. You can see the water bubbling up here. So you just want to give it a stir every now and then. And we're just going to let it go until it starts to thicken. Okay guys, our cranberry sauce is all done. I cooked it for about 15 minutes and then I let it cool. You really should let it cool for about an hour until it's room temperature. I'm not quite there, but it is cool enough to show you how it does thicken up on its own. And isn't that beautiful? You have, see how thick it's gotten? You have the beautiful apples you can see, and then you have the darker cranberry color from the dried cranberries, which is going to add nice texture, and then the beautiful red color from the fresh cranberries, and then just a little bit of spice in there. It's so good. So if you're looking for a new cranberry sauce recipe, I hope you'll give this a try. Cranberry sauce, super simple. Like I said, I will link the one I did last year for you down below if you prefer more of a cranberry orange flavor. In that one, I did toss in some dried cherries. Really good. So have a couple options for Thanksgiving if you're looking for something new. Also, cranberry sauce, you don't have to wait till Thanksgiving to make it, you guys. It is delicious with pork. It's delicious with chicken. You can even eat it with beef. It's delicious spread on, once it's cooled and it's been refrigerated, you can spread it on a biscuit or on toast just like you would jam. Really great. You can use it to glaze meat towards the end of cooking time instead of using a barbecue sauce. So lots of ways to use it, so don't wait till Thanksgiving to give it a try. Thanks for coming along with me today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.